Lower back pain stopping you from sitting, standing, or even sleeping? Don't ignore it. Do these simple home exercises daily and feel the difference. Exercise first, child's pose. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. Breathe slowly. This relaxes the tight lower back muscles. Next, knee to chest. Lie on your back and gently pull one knee toward your chest. Hold. This releases pressure from your lower spine. Now, cat-cow stretch. On hands and knees, round your back, then gently arch it. This improves spine mobility and reduces stiffness. Fourth, pelvic tilt. Press your lower back into the floor while lying down. Hold for a few seconds. This activates your core and supports your back. Finally, glute bridge. Lift your hips up slowly. Don't rush. This strengthens the muscles that protect your lower back. Do these for 10 minutes daily. Move slowly, breathe deeply, and avoid sharp pain. Save this video and share it with someone who has lower back pain.